Hey everyone, check out the TPHUC Heavy Duty Roof Riser Brackets kit, perfect for sturdy roof pergolas and gazebos. Made from high-quality metal with a durable powder coating, these brackets resist corrosion and scratches in harsh weather. The upgraded adjustable design lets you mount wood at different angles and directions, with a rotating heavy support pole for flexibility. Installation is simple thanks to the open half-post design that fits various wood sizes like 4x4 and 4x6 posts. Each bracket includes flange hex screws and bolts with anti-slip nuts to ensure strong, stable support. Ideal for balconies, terraces, and parks, these brackets provide reliable shelter from severe weather. They offer long-lasting durability and stability for your outdoor structures. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.